Welcome back to the ECA Tech channel. Working with APIs is pretty much a must-have skill in today's tech world. But if you've ever struggled with integration, efficiency, or just making sense of it all, don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'm sharing 5 essential tips to level up your web API game. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, read the documentation. I know, it sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how often this step gets skipped. Most APIs have detailed docs that explain endpoints, required parameters, authentication, and rate limits. Take time to understand the structure, it'll save you so many headaches later on. Tip number 2, use API testing tools. Before jumping into your code, test the API using tools like Postman or Insomnia. These let you send requests, tweak parameters, and see responses in real time. It's the best way to troubleshoot and understand how an API behaves before you write a single line of code. Tip number 3, handle errors gracefully. APIs don't always respond the way you expect, so your app needs to be ready for things like 404s, 500s, or even timeout errors. Make sure your code can catch and handle these gracefully. Don't let your users face a cryptic error message. Tip number 4, respect rate limits. APIs often have limits on how many requests you can send in a given time. Going overboard can get you throttled, or worse, banned. Use techniques like caching or batching requests to stay efficient and within the rules. And finally, tip number 5, secure your API keys. Treat your API keys like your passwords. Don't hard-code them into your app or leave them in public repos. Instead, use environment variables and tools like gitignore to keep them safe. A leaked key can lead to data breaches, or worse, expensive bills. So there you have it, 5 tips from ECA Tech to help you master web APIs. From reading the docs to keeping your keys secure, these small steps can make a big difference in how smoothly your projects run. Got a favorite API tip of your own? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.